Hi, I am Paultains from Harmony School Discovery, and in this video presentation I will be talking about the history of geometry. Roger Bacon, a renowned English philosopher, once said, "Mathematics is the gate and key to the sciences." Arguably the most important and expansive study needed in life, mathematics is everywhere, and without it we wouldn't know how to survive. In this video, I will focus on the most visual branch of mathematics, geometry. Look around from where you are watching this video. The room you are in is made up of shapes, angles, and lines. These are all geometric, containing specific measures and volume. The items around you also have these same characteristics. For example, your speakers, your keyboard, your pencil, anything has geometry. Geometry began with roots in ancient Egypt and Greece, where great mathematicians like Euclid, Plato, and Archimedes expanded the study of geometry to where we still see their formulas today. But, as time went on, their methods and solutions could not solve modern problems. During the age of the late Renaissance period, many philosophers, mathematicians, and scientists had major problems dealing with modern problems. For example, one of those problems in the military at that time was that they could not find the correct angle to fire artillery onto a position. Many began to work on finding the answer to this problem. Two men who went on that quest were Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz. In the late 18th century, Isaac Newton and Gottfried Leibniz were both credited for creating one of the most important mechanics in addition to geometry and to the modern world, calculus. Calculus is the study of change, dealing with curves, limits, functions, and continuity. There is a difference between calculus and geometry, but they are interrelated. This is where a study called analytic geometry comes in. Analytic geometry is the usage of analytical power of algebra with the descriptive power of geometry into a branch of mathematics. For example, if you were to see a slope, y equals mx plus b, then using your prior knowledge, you would know what that looks like physically. A line. Without the use of calculus and the foundations of algebraic expressions to represent geometric objects, we would not be where we are in our lives. We would have no idea how to invest in companies, how to build the wackiest of buildings, and how to save lives. We would not do that without analytic geometry. So think of it as this. Analytic geometry with calculus is the modern version of geometry. Basic geometry became too outdated for advanced modern problems, so Newton and Leibniz created a clearer form of it to support modern-day functions which we use today. In conclusion, geometry and mathematics has improved as time passes. The people that improved the world did it through geometry, and it has certainly helped us for the present and future times of humanity. Geometry was contributed by thousands around the world over the course of millennials. Without geometry, our world would not be a world. Thank you for watching.